Creating a new component over and over again can seem too lengthy and tedious, especially if you wish to follow solid principles and want to adhere to maximum decomposition of your components for reusability or just for good readability of your code. Lucky for us, code snippets can help us. Show all commands in your VS Code. You can find the shortcut for this action if you close your editor. In my IDE, it's Command plus Shift plus P. Once you show all commands, just enter Snippets and select the suggested option below, which is Configure User Snippets. Then, select New Global Snippets file. After that, enter the name for your file, and after confirming by clicking Enter key, you will get a new file where we are good to add our first snippets. Let's add the first snippet that will create a simple component without props. A snippet contains 3 fields. The first one is prefix. It's a shortcut which we will use. For this snippet, let's use RCMP letters as a prefix. The second field is body. This field is for the code that will be pasted when we use the prefix shortcut. And the final one is description. Let's add the body field value. It will be export default function component name, which is returning JSX.Element. To add a new line, you should add line feed symbol, which is /n, and to add a tab indent, you should add character tabulation symbol, which is /t, and then as a placeholder, let's return a div element. Okay, we've just created our first snippet. Let's try to use that. Just enter prefix shortcut. For me, it's RCMP and confirm by Enter key. Great, it works. Similarly, let's also create a snippet for a component that involves the use of props. For this snippet, let's use the rcmppr prefix. Let's check whether it works. Awesome.